So welcome guys to another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to save changes to your SQL database. So even if it shows this error, this message once you click or press Ctrl S, so the reason is because something is not right? So what we have to do is come to tools. It's very simple. Go to options, click on it, and then come to designer. So this checkbox here which says prevent saving changes that require table recreation, we're going to have to uncheck it and click OK. So that's all. So you can press Ctrl S now. As you can see at the bottom left of your screen, item saved. So as simple as that. Another thing that you can also do that could make your data not to be saved to the database is if you have already entered data into the database or into the table before, which is this. I've entered some stuff into the database before, so and then you are trying to add a colon. Maybe you just remember I will need some colon, maybe like I need another colon named order, and then the data type will be varchar, and then I want to save it, which is Ctrl S. It shows this error. This is another way that can prevent you from saving your data to database. So a way to solve that is to allow null, because data is already in the database before, so it can't just create another stuff here. It's going to be empty. So you're supposed to allow null, which means once someone is viewing it, it will show null there. So allow null, and then now Ctrl S, it saves your stuff. So that's the way you can do it. Please like if you find this tutorial helpful, and then I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.